If your GMC Acadia refuses to start, don't panic, because we can narrow down the culprit in just a few minutes. Statistics show that 70% of no-start issues on these SUVs are simply due to battery failures or loose connections. Let us walk through the diagnostic process to identify exactly what is stopping your engine from turning over. Start by popping the hood to inspect your battery terminals and verify that your ground straps are clean and secure. If power is solid, listen closely for a single click, which often indicates a failed starter motor or a blown ignition fuse. You should also consider the crankshaft position sensor or the fuel pump, which can prevent the engine from firing entirely. Simple electrical cleaning is perfect for a weekend DIY, but deeper engine management issues are best left to a professional shop. Here is a breakdown of what you might expect to pay for parts if you are dealing with these specific components. For advanced troubleshooting, use an OBD-I scanner to pull hidden codes and verify fuel pressure with a dedicated test gauge. Make sure you have a basic multimeter, a code reader, and a standard socket set ready before you start your repair. Remember that safety is the priority, so always disconnect the negative battery terminal before touching any electrical components. Thanks for watching, and check the description for links to the tools mentioned in today's video.